What's up guys, in this video I'm building this crate for free out of wooden pallets so I can take my adventure dogs with me on rides. This is Taco and this is Pollo. I've wanted a wooden crate for my haunted trail for a long time, so I'm building it out of wooden pallets that I found on the side of the road and some wood screws that I had on hand. So let's get started. I know pulling these nails one at a time probably wasn't the most efficient way to go about it. I probably could have used a reciprocating saw, but sometimes the right tool is just the tool that you have. It didn't take me long to realize that I should have chose wooden pallets that didn't have any paint on them, because the painted ones took me twice as long as the ones that didn't have any. Oh,
Recording.
oh, the big dogs. Oh, come on, boy. Oh my God, the little boys. Stay, stay. Oh, good boys. Oh, good boys. Good boy. Oh, he's peeing. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below if you do or don't like my original crate design. And if you did enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. He's peeing more, right? Yeah, of course. Whatever. That's good enough. It's perfect.